Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, hi, my name is Ashlyn. I am a teen mom to my son Atlas, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I swaddle how I used to swaddle him. I don't swaddle him anymore because he can now roll over, but I'm going to be showing you how I used to swaddle him and where he could not break out, because I swear this kid is an escape artist, and no matter how I wrapped him, he escaped. But this way that I found, he cannot get his arms out. He can still startle himself awake. So that is a good thing if you were worried about that. But anyways, let's get on with the video. So the way I go about starting to do this, I will take his left arm and I will put the blanket and wrap it around and then put it underneath his body. And then I will do it with the right arm. I will pull the blanket a little bit and then grab his right arm, tuck it underneath, and then tuck it below him. And then with his arms now tucked where he cannot escape, I will take the other side of the blanket and snugly put it underneath him. And then once I get the blanket from underneath him, I will go to the bottom of the blanket, twist it kind of a few times, and then I will spread it out and then kind of wrap it around him how you normally would with a swaddle. So then once I get the blanket underneath him, I will move the rest of the blanket and then I will pull it a little bit and then put it over, and then take the other side and then wrap it and then put it underneath him, and there you go. Your baby is wrapped to the point where his little escape artist, or she, the little, cannot escape and will sleep so soundly through the night. Anyways, mamas, I hope that helped you so much, and if you would, please go consider checking out my other videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.